Recording. I do, I'm in. Half up. That kid's scary, though. What am I doing? That's not going on Little B's wall. No, it's the bear.